Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that might not be on everyone's radar, but should be, the evolution of anthrax testing in Australia. You might be thinking, anthrax. Isn't that a bit old school? Well, let me tell you, this is a fascinating story of how technology is transforming our ability to tackle a long-standing threat to livestock health. You see, anthrax has been a silent killer of livestock in Australia for generations. It's one of those diseases that can lie dormant in the soil for years, just waiting for the right conditions to strike. And when it does, it can lead to sudden and devastating losses. What's intriguing is that this isn't just a historical problem, it's very much a current concern. Anthrax spores can persist for decades, which means that even if you haven't seen it on your farm in years, it could still be lurking, ready to cause trouble. The traditional method of diagnosing anthrax involved veterinarians carrying microscopes and conducting on-site blood tests. Talk about a cumbersome process. But here's where the game changer comes in. With the advent of Penside ICT kits, we've revolutionized the way we detect anthrax. These kits are like having a mini lab in your pocket, providing a rapid, safe, and accurate diagnosis. No more lugging around heavy equipment, and more importantly, no more delays in identifying this deadly disease. In my opinion, what makes this even more impressive is the accessibility. Private veterinarians dealing with livestock have free access to these ICT kits. This means faster responses and potentially saving more animals. It's a huge step forward in disease control, and it's all about empowering those on the front lines. Now you might be wondering, why is it so important to identify anthrax quickly? Well, there are a few compelling reasons. Firstly, early diagnosis allows for immediate action, like vaccinating people who've been exposed. This is crucial because anthrax is highly contagious and can spread rapidly. Secondly, proper disposal of infected carcasses is essential. If not handled correctly, these carcasses can become breeding grounds for future outbreaks. It's like leaving a ticking time bomb in your field. But here's the real kicker, anthrax isn't just a threat to animals. It's what we call a zoonotic disease, meaning it can jump from animals to humans. So when we exclude anthrax as a cause of death, it's not just about finding the right answer, it's about providing peace of mind and ensuring the safety of farmers and veterinarians alike. Personally, I find this aspect of disease control incredibly important. It's not just about the animals, it's about the people who care for them. The key takeaway here is that with these new testing methods, we're not just improving efficiency, we're potentially saving lives, both animal and human. It's a powerful reminder of how innovation in science can have a direct and positive impact on our daily lives. So, the next time you hear about anthrax, remember, it's not just a thing of the past. It's a current challenge that we're tackling with cutting-edge technology.